case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In United Steelworkers v. Warrior and Gulf Navigation Company, the Supreme Court of the United States addressed the issue of enforcing arbitration processes in collective bargaining agreements. The case was prompted by a union filing a grievance against a company for laying off employees and hiring other companies for maintenance work. The company declined to engage in arbitration, and the district court dismissed the complaint. The union appealed, but the appeals court upheld the lower court's decision. However, the Supreme Court reviewed the case and ruled that grievance arbitration provisions in collective bargaining agreements must be enforceable under Section 301A of the Labor Management Relations Act. The justices emphasized that courts should not interpret the arbitration clause to exclude a claim and that the collective agreement provided a mechanism for resolving disputes between the company and the union members. The Supreme Court held that the lower courts erred in assuming that contracting out grievances were always exempt from the agreement's grievance procedure. The term strictly a function of management applied only to matters under management's complete control, as specified in the contract. As a result, the decision emphasized that the judiciary's role was to facilitate the arbitral process and that courts should exercise caution in excluding a claim from arbitration. This ruling clarified the importance of ensuring that parties follow the agreed-upon arbitration process outlined in collective bargaining agreements and underscored the limited role of courts in determining matters subject to arbitration.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.